Hey y'all, so this is the dilution experiment for the chemistry course. Up here on the left is my mother solution. In this experiment, actually, I used 5 glasses, water, a pipette, a measuring cup, a calculator, and I believe that's it. And so here we have the dilution experiment. Up here on the left is the one on the farthest left here is my mother solution. The mother solution is made up of the Kool-Aid, which had a total in the packet of 3.6 grams. And I put it in with 250 milliliters of water. So the molarity could be found by converting the 250 milliliters to liters, which would be 0.25 liters. So I divided 3.6 that was in the total of the Kool-Aid packet with the 342.15, which is the molar mass of the sugar, which is the primary content of Kool-Aid, just so y'all know what you're ingesting. The total of the 3.6 divided by the 342.15 was 0.0105. So the molarity of the mother solution would be found by 0.015 divided by the 0.25 liters, which would give you a total of 0.042 moles. So for the second solution, the one right next to the mother one, the one I'm pointing at, 20 milliliters was taken from the mother solution, and then 180 milliliters of water was added to that to give it a total of 200 milliliters. So the 0.042 times the 20 milliliters that I put in divided by 200 would give us a total molarity of 0.0042. Now for the third one, I went ahead and put 40 milliliters of the second solution in there. And so with that, since I added 40 milliliters of that, I added 160 milliliters to it to give it a total of 200 as well. So I took the molarity from the last one, the 0.0042, and I multiplied it by the 40 that I put in. So 0.0042 times the 40 divided by the 200 milliliters would give a total of 0.00084. So onward, on the fourth solution, I took 60 milliliters out of the other one and added a total of 140 milliliters of water to give the 200 milliliters again. So from there, from the molarity of the last one, the 0.00084, I multiplied that by the 60 that I had put in, and that gave me a total molarity, and I divided that by the 200, and that gave me a total molarity of 0.000252 in molarity for the fourth solution. Now lastly, I have the last one, which you can see it's a lot more dilute than the one before it still. And because I took 80 milliliters of the fourth one and I put it into the fifth one and then added 120 milliliters on top of that to give me a total of 200 milliliters again. So from the molarity of the last one, the 0.000252 times the 80 divided by the 200 gave me a total molarity of 0.0010. So the final goal of this experiment is to achieve parts per million, which was not achieved, but as you continue to go forth with the experiment, you could at some point.